The Notes function in Sage CRM allows you to add notes to leads, companies, persons, opportunities, and cases. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at the functionality of Notes. So let's jump right in and get started. We'll begin by taking a look at the Notes tab on an opportunity record, and using the recent list, we'll open this first one for a 120 user expense system. Looking in the context area, we can see that this opportunity is for our customer, Gatecom, and our contact for this opportunity is Simon Yaltoy. Here's the Notes tab, which we'll open, and you can see that there are 2 notes that have already been entered here under this opportunity. So let's discuss what type of information is relevant for notes. Notes are intended for information that doesn't need to be acted upon, meaning a note won't appear on any user's calendar in Sage CRM. If you need to have something appear on a user's calendar, then you would create a task or appointment. Notice that the notes here are stamped with a date, time, and user. Importantly, if you or any other user were to edit a note, the date, time, and user will not update. Let's go ahead and add another note by clicking the New Note button. This is a free text field where you can type your note or cut and paste from elsewhere. We're sure that you can come up with plenty of notes relevant to your opportunities, and for this example, we'll enter the companies that we're competing with on this sales opportunity. And now we'll hit Save. Because we're logged in as Susan May, her name is associated with the note. We can also filter notes by user, which can be helpful when there are many notes present. Now going back to the context area, let's move up to the person level and look at notes for Simon Yaltoy. Remember that Simon is the Gatecom contact that we've associated with the opportunity where we just added our note. Notice that there are no notes present here, even though there is a note on the opportunity that is associated with Simon. So it's important to remember that notes on opportunities and cases do not roll up to the notes on the person associated with these entities. We'll enter a note here, and let's suppose that Simon works an extended schedule that gives him every other Friday off. This is important information for anyone in our company to know that might schedule work with him, so let's type off every other Friday. Keep this in mind when scheduling work that involves Simon. And we'll save the entry. Now that we've entered notes on both an opportunity and a person under the company Gatecom, let's now move up to the company level and look at the Notes tab there. Here we can make some further roll-up observations. Notice that the note we just added under Simon Yaltoy has rolled up to the company notes, but those created under the opportunity did not. So again, notes on opportunities and cases don't roll up to the person or company level. Further, there's a setting in the administration area that allows you to choose whether the Company Notes tab shows company and person notes or just company notes. To change this setting, you'll need administrator security rights. And finally, it's also important to mention that notes are not searchable, which you can see by right-clicking Find and selecting Keyword Search. Notice here that there's a checkbox for communications, but none for notes. And that completes our tutorial. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in your Sage CRM system. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.